Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now we're inside Power Query, the kitchen, and in this lesson I want to show you one of the most powerful features for checking your data quality. Because before building dashboards, we must trust our data. At the top of Power Query, click the View tab. Now check the box that says Column Quality. Immediately you'll see colored bars appear under each column header. These bars give you a quick health check of your data. You'll see three categories: green, correct values; red, problem values; and black, null or missing values. This is one of the fastest ways to understand your data set, and you should always keep this turned on. Now let's analyze our departments table. Looking at your department's query, you can see something interesting. For example, ID department, 79% valid and 29% empty. And the same for name, site, country. All of them have 79% valid and 29% empty. And region looks even worse. Why is that happening? This does not mean your data is broken. It simply means 29% of the rows in this table contain null values. If we look at the preview carefully, we can see some completely blank rows. For example, some rows show null in ID department, null in name, and null in site. Those rows are empty records inside your Excel file. Power BI counts every row on the table. So if your table has 14 rows and 3 of them are empty, that equals about 29%. That's exactly what column quality is showing. It's doing the math for you automatically. Look closely at the region column. Most rows contain null. That means your Excel file doesn't have region field for most departments. So Power BI calculates only 14% of rows contain a value and 86% are empty. This is not an error. It's missing information, and that's an important difference. Should we fix this? Yes, because blank rows can affect relationships, break calculations, and distort dashboard numbers. In the next lessons, we'll remove empty rows and clean this table properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.